Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali o magandang gabi. Kung anong oras man napanood niyo ang video ito. Welcome to our channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Maraming salamat sa ating mga subscribers at sa mga bagong nanonood sa video ito. Please subscribe and like this video. Pakishare na rin sa ibang mga mathematics students and engineering students. Our topic today is the area of sector of a circle. So ito'y karugtong ng ating previous topic about the area and the circumference of the circle. So let's read the definition. The sector of a circle is the area of the circle that is bounded by the marching arc and two radii. A sector is essentially the area inside a circle. So therefore, it would be accurate to state that a quarter or semicircle is a sector of a specified circle. Because of a smaller and larger portions in the figure, as shown in the figure in the right side of this presentation, OPAQ is referred to as a minor sector and OPBQ as the major sector. The angles of the sectors OPAQ and OPBQ are equal to the angles subtended by the arcs PAQ and PBQ respectively. There isn't a minor or major sector when the sector's angle is 180 degrees. So kapag 180 degrees, so equal po yung dalawang sector. No? So walang major, walang minor sector on that case. So kapag nagkaroon ng not equal to 180 degrees, so nagkaroon ng minor at saka major sector. Kung alin ang malaki, yun yung major. PAQ is smaller arc, while PBQ is the bigger arc. So this is the formula in finding the area of a sector. So area is equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared, or theta divided by 360 degrees times pi d squared over 4. So yun po yung conversion ng ating radius. Where theta is the sector angle subtended by the arc at the center in degrees. So kapag in degrees, yun po ang gagamitin nating formula. And r is the radius of the circle. Another formula, area equals 1/2 theta r squared, where theta is a sector angle subtended by the arc at the center in radians. So radians naman to. And r is the radius of the circle. So the length of the arc of a sector, so L is equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the circumference. So kapag mayroong nahati po yung circle, so mayroong theta divided by 360 degrees. So kapag ang theta ay in degrees, pero kapag ang theta ay in radian, so ang ating formula to find the length of this arc is theta times r. Okay? So kapag naka-radians po tayo. Example 1. Find the area and the length of the arc if the radius of the circle is 8 cm and the angle subtended at the center is 2 pi over 3. So in this case, ang given angle is in radian. So ang given natin is radius ay 8 cm at ang angle is theta equals 2 pi over 3. So to find the area using this formula, A equals 1/2 times theta times r squared. So gamitin lang natin to kapag ang given angle is in radian. So 1/2 times 2 pi over 3 times 8 squared. So ang pi na ginagamit natin ay 3.1416. Pwede rin mag-direct kayo using the calculator, no? So pwede rin naman yan, pero mahaba kasi ang value doon sa calculator, kaya medyo magkaroon ng konting difference on this answer. Pero konti lang naman yon, mga point something lang. So in this case, I'm using 3.1416. So 2 times 3.1416, that is 6.2832 divided by 6 times 64. Yung 8 squared ay 64. So the answer is 67.02 centimeters squared, or the area of the sector is 67.02 centimeters squared. Now, to find the length of the arc, length is equal to theta times r. So that is 2 pi over 3 times 8. So 2 times 8 ay 16 times the pi, value of the pi is 3.1416 over 3. So that is 16.76 centimeter. So the length of the arc is 16.76 centimeter. Number 2, if the angle of the sector with a radius of 5 cm is 43 degrees, then find the area and the length of the arc of the sector. So dito, ang given angle is in degrees. So the radius ay 5 cm and then ang ating theta ay 43 degrees as shown in the figure in the right side. So, ang gamitin nating formula to find the area is area equals theta divided by 360 degrees times pi times r squared. So, 43 over 360 times 3.1416 times 5 square. So, ang sagot niyan ay 9.38 centimeter squared. So, the area of the sector is 9.38 centimeter squared. Okay, to find the length of the arc, so theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So makita po natin na kapag yung 2 pi r, that is the area of the circumference of the circle. Pero kung mayroon pong na-divide po siya, nagkaroon ng sector, then gagamitan po natin siya ng angle. So theta divided by 360 degrees. So 43 divided by 360 times 2 times the pi, 3.1416 times 5, the radius. Ang length natin ay 3.75 cm. Yun yung length ng arc, no? 3.75 cm. Example 3. If the length of the arc AB of a circle with a radius of 20 cm is 8 cm, then find the area of the sector corresponding to that arc. What is the angle measure formed between the two radii? So, ang atin pong given, the radius natin ay 20 cm and the length is 8 cm. So, to find the area, so ito po yung area na gagamitin natin is equal to length times the radius divided by 2. So, ang ating length ay 8 times the radius 20 cm divided by 2 and that is 160 divided by 2. So, 80 cm squared. Yun yung area ng ating sector, 80 cm squared. So, the angle theta is 360 degrees times the length divided by 2 pi r. So, 360 times 8, that is 2,880, and divided by 2 times 3.1416 times 20, and that is 125.664. So, ang theta natin ay 22.92 degrees or 23 degrees. So, the angle is 23 degrees. Example 4. The central angle of 60 degrees is plotted on a circle with 7 cm radius. Calculate the area of the circular segment between the chord joining the ends of the two radii and its corresponding arc. So, ang given natin, ang radius ay 7 cm at ang ating theta ay 60 degrees. So, area of the equilateral triangle, since 60 degrees po yung given na angle, so ibig sabihin, the other side of the angle ng ating triangle is 60 degrees din. At kapag ganon, yung sides niya ay equal. So, equilateral triangle. So, ang area is square root of 3 divided by 4 times a squared. So, square root of 3 divided by 4 times 7 square, and that is 21.22 centimeter square. So, the area of the triangle is 21.22 centimeter square. Yung area of the sector ay area divided by is equal to pi divided theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r square. So, ang ating theta ay 60 divided by 360 times 3.1416 times 7 squared. So, ang sagot po natin ay 25.66 cm squared. So, kapag i-compute po natin. So, ang area ng sector ay 25.66 cm squared. So, i-minus po natin yung area ng triangle para makukuha natin yung medyo maliit na shaded na dun sa ibabaw ng green. Ang area of the circular segment is 25.66 minus 21.22. So, ang area niya ay 4.44 cm squared. So, yun po yung answer, no, natin. Yung maliit na area dun sa ibabaw, malapit po sa gilid ng circle. No? And this is our activity. Please answer this one at your own. And I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching. And I hope you have to share this and like our video. Salamat ng marami. God bless us.